Hey guys, Luke here. So we are back with the $1 one stock a day challenge. Unfortunately, I have some bad news. When I was recording this video, I did not actually record the sound with it, so I have to go back and try to talk about what I said at the time. Some things might be off, but I'll do my best. So it looks like we are at a 13-cent total gain, 5 cents on American Water, 3 cents on Visa, a 3-cent gain on Alphabet, 2-cent gain on SP 500 and Goldman Sachs, a $0 gain or loss on Procter & Gamble, Berkshire Hathaway, and JP Morgan Chase, and a 2-cent loss on Alibaba. So these are just some of the stocks here. Looks like 2.33% down on Alibaba. So also in this video, I think it was on a Tuesday. The day before was Martin Luther King Day, and it was the weekend before that. So I think it's 4 stocks today. So yep, Disney right here. Buying $1 of that. Already buying 0.007 shares at $143.63. Alright, you purchased $1 of Disney. Alright, it looks like we can read a little bit about it. Walt Disney owns the rights to some of the most globally recognized characters. They have 201,000 employees. Alright, looking at Microsoft, it looks like Microsoft develops and licenses consumer and enterprise software. They have all assortment of enterprises that they use, or segments actually. Productivity and business processes, SharePoint, Skype, LinkedIn, Microsoft Office. Let's see what else they do. It reports revenue in product and service and other revenue in its income statement. All right, their company value is $1.28 trillion, and their share price is $166.82. So we'll be buying $1 of that. All right, today we'll be buying 0.006 shares at the share price of $166.85. Or you purchase $1 of Microsoft. All right, what stock we're going to be purchasing next will be, let's see, Adobe. All right, so Adobe provides content creation, document management, and digital marketing and advertising software and services to creative professionals and marketers for creating, managing, delivering, measuring, optimizing, and engaging with compelling and content multiple operating systems. They have 21,000 employees. Their company value is $170 billion at a share price of $350. Today we'll be buying 0.003 shares at $350.62. You purchased $1 of Adobe. All right, so the next stock we'll be buying today will be Shopify. Shopify is a Canadian company which provides cloud-based commerce platforms designed for small and medium-sized businesses. They have 1,900 employees. Their company value is $52 billion with a B. Their share price is $466.42. They will be buying 0.002 shares. All right, as you can see, that we added it to our portfolio. We can see all those stocks are in there. All right, looks like we're up 1% all time. All right, and I appreciate you guys watching this quick little short video. I do apologize for the confusion, the audio. I have to go back and try to explain everything that happened at the time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.